I-C-K makes the sound ick. When we put T in front of ick, we have tick. When we put ST in front of ick, we have stick. When we put K in front of ick, we have kick. When we put L in front of ick, we have lick. When we put CH in front of ick, we have chick. P in front of ick, we have pick. R in front of ick, we have rick. S in front of ick, we have sick. TR in front of ick, we have trick. N in front of ick, we have nick. BR in front of ick, we have brick. CL in front of ick, we have click. FL in front of ick, we have flick. W in front of ick, we have wick. And SL in front of ick, we have slick. Tick. Stick. Kick. Lick. Chick. Pick. Sick. Trick. Brick. Click. Flick. Slick.